So the Metra is coming, if you can see it, and it's coming towards the station right now. It's so creepy. It's so cool when you can actually see the light from a distance. And right now you can't see how creepy it actually is. I'm sorry I'm holding the camera like this. It's just a phone. It's different from a tablet. I mean, everybody knows that. Okay, so I'm just gonna zoom in at the Metra. It's coming closer. Oh, I'm so excited! Another Metra! Finally, the third Metra I've seen on the tracks today. And okay, here it is. It's coming. It's coming. Oh, it's coming. It's actually coming. Another one. You can see the diesel engine right there. That's pure diesel. So good. Oh yeah. And then can I show you a cool feature about the Metra? You can control it from the back too. So you can control it from the back too. So yeah, so it's so amazing, the Metra. Remember to like and subscribe. See you soon. Bye.